Hello all, today I will be starting a new series on Power Apps which is becoming an area of interest among all the developers and is growing in demand day by day. So before we begin our discussion on Power Apps, I request every one of you to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification icon so that you can receive all the latest updates and notifications that we keep posting on our YouTube channel. So without any further delay, let us start our discussion for the day. So before moving on to the topics such as how to set up environment and start building your applications in Power Apps, it is important to know the basic concept of Power Apps. So first of all, we will going to learn what is Power Apps. So Power Apps is a development environment where you can develop your applications, and it also acts as a data platform where you can connect to different data sources such as Excel, SQL and other applications, and also it acts as a data platform in itself where you can store your data within the Power Apps as well. By combining the development environment and the data platform, you can build your own Power Apps application within the organization very quick, in a fast way and in an efficient manner. The next thing that we will learn are the Power Apps feature. So the first feature that Power Apps provide is its easy to use nature, which means basically you do not require any prior coding knowledge and is simply a drag and drop functionality and has a very friendly interface. The second feature that Power Apps provide is its ability to run it from anywhere or everywhere. So this feature means that once you create your application, you can easily import your application to any place, and you can run that application from anywhere. That is, you can, once it is imported, so you can run it from anywhere, such as from a website or an iPhone or a window application. The third feature that Power Apps provide is its ability, or is its nature, to connect to anything. So this feature allows you to connect to any type of data source such as SQL, SQL, Excel, PowerPoint, OneDrive, SharePoint, etc. The last but not the least feature that Power Apps provide is its customized nature. Here in this feature, you can customize your application as per your own requirement, just like the way you customize your other Microsoft application such as PowerPoint, Excel or Microsoft Word. So with that, we have come to the end of our video discussion wherein we discussed what is Power Apps and what are the features that Power Apps provide. So in the next video, we will discuss how to register or sign up for Power Apps. So before we wind up our session for the day, I request every one of you to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification icon so that you receive all the latest updates and notifications that we keep posting on our YouTube channel. Thank you all and have a great day.